How far would you go to ensure the best weekends ever? Not too far, actually. Only 90 minutes away from the city of Bangalore, also known as the Silicon Valley of India, offering a variety of options to unwind and relax before you prepare for the week ahead. Presenting Sangama Eco Farms, your perfect weekend home. Nestled in greenery, here you can live, farm, hike, cycle, trek, and watch your investment fetch steady returns. Located in Uyamballi, it's one smooth drive over nice road. In close proximity to every place of need and interest, it offers you a life and a lifestyle that the city can never offer. Stay at home or explore nature's bounty, unburdened and carefree. Every weekend, satiate your heart and soul. Grow and consume your own food and live your dreams in your very own weekend home. Nearby places include Sangama, Chunchi Falls, Trekking Spot, Muguru Forest, Mekatatu Kaveri River, Harobele Dam, Arkavati River, Pyramid Valley, Kanakapura City, Nice Road, Male Mahadeshwara Betta, Golibor Nature Camp and Fishing, Shivasamudra Falls, Hoganekal Falls, Mysore, and Sri Sathya Sai Ashram. Step into Sangama Eco Farms. Step into a world that's so close to the city and yet so far from everything you dislike about living in it.